Hi there, friends of Umango. Who's ready to dive in? As usual, I've got my partner in crime, Andrew Wade.
G'day, everyone.
And today we have a very special guest, Ian Healey.
Hello, everyone. Hi from Canada.
It's a deep dive into Umango. So Ian's basically was there at the beginning, right?
Absolutely highly regarded in the Docushare space.
So let's go. So what I got here in front of me is Umango. I'm going to go into jobs, pick my purchase order. Over here on the end, we've got destinations. As we said, we've got Docushare Go. We hit configure, and here comes the connector. So the big thing with this connector, we're able to browse collections. We can assign metadata, the document that we're going to scan. Assignments, we can actually say this is a type of an invoice or an expense report. Under document, we're going to name the file based on the zone that we've extracted, and we're going to update the file with the latest version. So if there's more than one version going in, it'll actually append the latest version to it, or we can rename a new file by appending an incremental number. I'm going to pick this option because I'm going to show you a couple of things as we go through. And we also have file types. I happen to like using the searchable PDF. And we've got all the options that are there. So between the Abby and the Tesseract engine, how our rendering happens, and we can actually map metadata as well. So I'm going to use drag and drop to start this process. So I'm just going to go up here. We're going to grab my POs. This would be at the copier. You would get it. This would be a scan. Over here on the left, you'll notice under batches. So it's looking at every individual page to extract the PO number, which will then put it in Docushare Go. So we'll go over to Docushare. So we've got all of our POs have come through. Not a problem. Scan it in. We turned off automation. Now it's saying there's something for me to process as it goes through, and then you'll see the numbers match up. It matches. I hit save. It takes me to the next document.
And it's worth mentioning here that like anyone could do this. Like, you know, someone like you, Ian, who really knows what they're talking about, could set all this stuff up, and you could get Dave from the mailroom to come sit here and make sure these numbers match.
Or Andrew even to do it.
Or Andrew.
So it's worth actually, or Andrew. So this is all about setting up confidence thresholds around what data you want a user to give heads up on, and as in do data cleanup on, or pass through and be saved automatically. And so I think if you can show now, I think you can navigate and scroll around that entire image. So let's just say that number was somewhere else. You know, there was some sort of area that you needed to validate. You can use your mouse wheel and scroll out, move around, use lasso OCR, but also even just key from image and just type in the information. Nice and easy. And I think, as Julian mentioned, minimal training.
This is Umango. Like, this is the sexiness of Umango. This exists in all of our workflows, but definitely in this Docushare Go one as well.
The other thing that we wanted to show you is that if you go into an MFD, this is going to simulate an MFD.
This is what Dave sees.
Dave, exactly. Dave walks up to the copier, picks a job, like the fact that we can start it here and then finish it from the browser.
Yeah.
So Dave is here. I want to go defer batch up here on the right.
It's Umango's web browser based, so anyone on the network has the access. And as you've shown, Ian, you can filter by the users, Active Directory. So you just roll up in your chair at a desk, log in to Umango, have access to the documents and the jobs that you're supposed to have access to, process and validate where you need to, and save it at Docushare Go.
Yeah,
that's right. So it's very streamlined, very simple. Dave down in the mailroom can scan them in and process them from his desk.
Ian, it was so great to have you. Thank you for that demo. And Andrew, thank you for tagging along. To our viewers out there, we hope you learned something. And if you're curious about Umango, check out our website, umango.com. Our YouTube channel is just full of videos all about Umango. Check it out, watch some videos, and till next time, we'll see y'all.